Hello everyone, this is Harry from Communication. In this video I want to show you how you can install Windows 7 or Windows 8 via a bootable flash drive into a netbook PC, notebook PC or any desktop PC. For this we need a Windows 8 or Windows 7 CD, a bootable flash drive. If you don't have a bootable flash drive, check my video how you can make a bootable flash drive for install Windows 7 or 8 into your desktop or netbook or notebook PC. Okay. This is Windows 7. I put this into my DVD drive, and here is my bootable flash drive that I just prepared. Here is my Windows 7. I will not open from here. I close this and I will go to my computer. As you see, DVD ROM or writer have the Windows 7. I will click right button and open. You should not open directly. You have to click right button and open. You have to copy all the files from your CD or DVD. It could be Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows XP, whatever, and copy all those. Go again to my computer, and here is the flash drive. Again, I want to tell you, if you don't have a bootable flash drive, it will not work for you. I have a video, check that video, how to make a bootable flash drive especially for install Windows 7, Windows 8. Now I'll double click for open this, and I will click right button and paste all the files from the CD into this bootable flash drive. This is done. Now what I have to do, I have to remove this flash drive from my PC. And I have to put this into a netbook or notebook where I want to install Windows 7 or Windows 8. Okay, I will click the power button for start, and I have to enter into the BIOS F2. In this particular notebook, this is SR Inspire 1 happy version. The BIOS is F2. Normally the BIOS could be F2, F9, F10 or Dell in different version. In BIOS, at the menu bar, you have information, main, security, boot and exit. We have to go at the boot, as you see, the boot, and we have to make the flash drive as a first boot. As you see, I have the USB HDD, that is Kingston DT 101G2, that my flash drive as a first boot. If the flash drive is not selected as a first boot, you have to select that one as a first boot. By F5 you can make it down, and by F6 you can make it up. So I make first boot the Kingston flash drive. Okay, after doing this I have to click F10 for make this change, save, and with enter I can save this change and the PC should be restarted. Let's see what happened. And as you see, the Windows is loading files. Okay, that means my bootable flash drive is working. Okay, here we are. This Windows come with a 3 different language. In this notebook especially I want to put Spanish. So I have English, Spanish and Romanian. I will click Spanish. The keyboard and the currency format should be Spanish, and the other matters should be Spanish. I will not change nothing. For you it will be English or as your native language. I will click next and I will click install now. For your kind information, this is SR Inspire 1. It has processor 1.6 gigahertz N450 and memory it has 1 gigabyte. And here is one license agreement from Microsoft. I click for accept and next. Here is two options, one is upgrade and second one is custom advanced. I will click custom advanced and you should too. And here I have so many partition, as you see. Reserve partition for SR, and after that 4 GB something I don't know, and 100 MB reserved for Windows, and the fourth one is SR 215 GB. The second partition, the disk 2, is 4 GB. That is my flash drive, so we should not touch that one. I want to format all the data from this notebook and want to make a new Windows in this. If you have any document or something at your normally you should have your document and data and photos and videos. You should make a backup of everything before doing this. The first partition, that is a reserve 13 GB, I will select, and here is a drive option. I will click this and I will click delete. Okay, that is gone. The partition number 3, that is called here now partition second, 100 MB, I select and I delete this one too. The partition number 4, the last one, I select and I click delete. Okay, now we have two unallocated space. One is 13 GB and another is 215 GB. We'll click new, apply. Now the Windows asks me one permission, so they can make 100 MB a reserve for Windows, a small drive. I click yes or okay. For do that, I have to select this one. Which one you want to install into, you have to select that one and you have to click next. And it is starting copying Windows file. The second after that it will do expanding Windows file. The third one it should be installing fixtures. The fourth one installing updates. The fifth one would be completing installation, as you see. Okay, here I am again after restarting couple of times. Whenever it restart at the middle of the installation, you should take the pen drive or flash drive out for a few seconds and put back it again, because if you not do so, it will go again and again to the beginning of the installation. Okay, whatever. This PC I will put name as user, user. As you see, this board is asking me the name of the PC, what you want to put, and I click next. And here if you want to password, you can put some password for your account. I will not put no password. I click next. And here is, if you have license of the Windows, you put the license. If you don't have, don't worry, the Microsoft will give you 30 days validity, so you can use 30 days this window. After that you have to upgrade this Windows. There's another procedures also you can crack or something as this, but whatever, better buy the license from Microsoft. Preparing your desktop, that is in Spanish, preparando el escritorio. This is done. Here is my start menu. What I need to do, I have to connect with the Wi-Fi and everything will be done. If some driver is left and is not working, that means you have to go and download from the SR support that particular drive. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, leave me as a comment. I will try to answer as much fast as possible. As always, for more information, go to the Iris Communication, www.iriscommunication.com. Good night. Ciao.